How to tare or zero the scale. To tare or zero the scale, place the steel plate in the empty grounds container onto grinder base. Press and hold OXO button. Continue to hold until you see a 3-second countdown. Keep holding until the countdown reaches 0. Make sure the container does not touch the grounds chute while grinding, as it will affect the scale readout. To use a different container than what is provided, you will need to tare the scale with the new container. Place the steel plate and container on base. Press and hold OXO button until countdown reaches 0.